Hello everyone, today I will show you how you could create an automation on Zapier on which you can instantly send cold emails to the targeted email that you type in on your own Discord server. So if that interests you, let's get straight to it. Click on Create SAP. Alright, so for the trigger, choose Discord. For the event, choose New Message Posted to Channel. Continue and sign in to Discord and choose your server. So here on Pick Text Channel, you could create your own text channel such as instant cold mails. I'm just going to use general for this tutorial. Here it's asking you for a trigger, so let's go ahead and send something. Alright, let's see if it catches it. And there we go, there it is. Well, actually that's not the one. Let's see if it finds the new one I sent. Here it is. Let's continue with that one. So for the action, we'll be using Gmail for this example. We want to send an email. Sign in. Allow. Alright, so now for the action, we want it to go to the email that we typed in. So click on the content variable. On the body, we can have our own pre-made cold email. So go ahead and copy that and paste it in. This is the email that will be sent in to every email that you type in on your channel. So let's just do the subject as well. And that should be all. Requirements. Continue. Test action. All successful, and let's publish. So let's test this out now. You can check if your automation was successful if you go to history on your SAP, and here it, as you can see, it was successful. You can click on it and see the contents. So let's go to Gmail and see if it was sent. Alright, so let's test this automation by typing in an email. And here, as you can see, is the email that we sent. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos on automations, please subscribe.